Fidel, what's your view of the global construction market as it currently stands? What threats and opportunities are there for Ferrovial?
Well, it's a very general and complicated question. It will take a lot of time to describe the overall trends and the opportunities within the global construction market. But I think that some important points, there is a very substantial need for investment in infrastructure. Infrastructure is becoming more and more obsolete. There are some investments have been long deferred in certain countries because of the lack of fund availability. So we think that there are many prospects in this market, and in particular, if all the different phases of the delivery chain are integrated, i.e. design, construction, O&M and financing, which is one of the strengths of our group.
Okay, and so what are the geographic markets that you and Ferrovial are sort of taking particular interest in the moment?
Yes, I think the question, you properly say in the present time, because it evolves through time. I think right now the backbone of our operation is North America, the UK, Spain to a lesser extent. It represents less than 30% of our activities, and we also have a keen interest in Australia and related markets.
And speaking of Spain, what lessons have you and Ferrovial learned from the Spanish market and operating there that you are incorporating into your more global operations?
I think that in Spain there was very intense competition between companies like us. Also, I think the government and the public owners were pretty open in seconding some of the tasks which are traditional to government to private parties. So, for example, the Pre-3 model was embraced very quickly and soon in Spain. So I think one is the competition, something that no one likes, but it is a fact of life. And the other one was that the government was openness to private participation sector in the delivery of infrastructure. I think these are two traits that we have carried forward in our activities elsewhere.